Hello and welcome to the channel. The last flowers of lilies are opening. This is Speciosum rubrum uhida and I have my American cultivar seeds ready, so I have to pick them soon. And what I have is these weeds have been sprayed yesterday with a weed killer. It's a photosystem 1 inhibitor, so you can see that the leaves are burning up, and I hope they die because I don't have time to weed. And I would like to show you my onion collection because they're in flower. This is Cliffs of Dover in a 7-liter pot, and I also like to show you that the pink Budleia has spider mites, so you can see that the leaves are whitening out, and you don't see the mites because they are very small, and because the leaves are hairy you can only see them with a microscope. Licorice is finishing but the main attraction now are the Alliums, and I managed to weed them out yesterday. So this one is Allium lusitanicum, also known as Senescens montanum. I have Allium scorodoplasum chacha flower, which is extra because it usually doesn't flower this time of the year. So Cliffs of Dover again. The last one is Sugar Melt. And this one is Serendipity. Lisa Blue. And this big one is Senescence. And the big one, the biggest one is Bubble Bath. This is Angulosum Lavender Bubbles in orbit, Millennium, Tuberosum, and Sugar Melt is already bloomed. Sugar Melt, I'm sorry, not Sugar Melt, but Summer Beauty. So Summer Beauty was the first Allium to bloom, and I still didn't have time to put net bags on the seed pods, and I still have to count and collect the garlic, so lots of things to do and not much time. Thank you for your attention. See you next time. Bye bye.